There is a growing number of AI video editors who consider AI editing to be a lifesaver. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the platform that has turned the world of video production on its head, InVideo AI. If you've ever stared at a blank Premiere Pro timeline, overwhelmed by cuts, transitions, and stock audio licensing, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through exactly how InVideo allows you to go from a simple text prompt to a fully realized professional-grade video in just minutes. We'll cover the dashboard, the magic box editing workflow, advanced features like AI twins, and I'll give you an honest breakdown of the plans. If you want to try InVideo yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get started in creating AI-powered videos for free. Now, before we get into the dashboard, it's important to understand the philosophy. Directing, not editing. To master InVideo AI, you have to stop thinking like a traditional editor and start thinking like a director. You aren't building a video, you are prompting an agentic system. When you hit that main prompt box on the homepage, you're talking to a multi-agent AI that acts as your entire production crew, from scriptwriter to sound engineer. Now, once you head over to InVideo.io, the interface is intentionally sparse. Now, this is your command center. The first thing you'll see, obviously, is the prompt box. This is where the magic starts. You can type in a highly specific request like create a 60-second high-energy YouTube short about top 5 gadgets for travelers using a fast-paced upbeat tone. Now, for whatever prompt you give it and hit the Generate My Video button, you get to the workflow selection. You'll notice the presets for YouTube Shorts, explainer videos, and other information. These are optimized specifically for platform algorithms. And then you have the Copilot. Now, once you hit the Generate button, you can watch the Copilot work. It's writing your script, selecting clips from a library of over 16 million royalty-free assets, including premium iStock content, and layering in the audio. Now I'd like to talk about mastering the magic box. This is after it's been able to generate a video. Now, the biggest mistake beginners make is thinking that the video is finished once the AI generates it. The real power here is the magic box. As you can see right here, if you hover over this button, you'll see magic box. Now, this is your conversational editor. Now, this editor uses the natural language to make edits on your video. You don't need a timeline, you just simply need to type something like change the voice over to a deeper, more professional tone, or replace the third clip with a shot of a busy airport. The AI will re-render these sections instantly. Now, still with your video, you have the edit button right here. If you're not seeing this, you see something like edit and download. And once you click on the edit and download button, it will take you to this where you can click on edit. You'll notice also that it's a drop down. If you click on the drop down, you have the option to edit the script. If you click on the edit script tab, you have the opportunity to make some changes. So if you don't like the AI's phrasing, so you can go ahead and rewrite it yourself. The video visuals will automatically adjust to follow your new text. And then you have media swapping. Now you can see the options right here. Now if we close this for a moment and click on the edit once again, you'll see these options right here. So if we click on script, and instead of going back, you can simply go over to media. Now here you'll see a range of the media that has been used in this video. So if you don't like a specific stock clip, the Edit Media tool lets you search the library or upload your own visuals. So you have the option to upload media, stock media, or generative media. This is where you get to inject your specific brand identity to ensure your video doesn't look like a generic stock footage spam. Of course, while everything is done, you can come down here and see some details and also view the media properties. Then, of course, you can decide to save changes if you've made any. There are, of course, more details right here because we've just talked about the script and the media. The same principle applies to the music. If you'd like to upload music or use a stock music, this is pretty much up to you. Then, of course, you have more settings right here, and you also have your logo. If you're a brand and you want to stay consistent, go ahead and use Add Logo option to add your logo. At this point, you might be able to see that you can observe how much time it saves you compared to manual editing. It's about volume and velocity. So if you want to try out InVideo yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to start creating AI-powered videos for free. Now let's talk about the advanced features that makes this a powerhouse for personal brands. You have the AI twins. Now right here, if you click on the AI twins, you'll be taken to a section. Right here, you can create a digital clone of yourself. Go ahead and upload a 60-second video of yourself following their framing guidelines, and within a short processing time, you have a digital avatar that can narrate any script you generate. And then of course you have the voice cloning. This is crucial for brand recall. You can clone your own voice to narrate your videos. This keeps your channel sound consistent, which is a major factor in building audience loyalty. Now, as with any AI service out there, the plans are important to be conversant with. So at the top right corner, we're just going to click on upgrade and it's going to take us to the plans page. Now, of course, here in InVideo, you have the free plan. It's a great sandbox with watermarks and limited generations, but it's not for professional use. You have the Plus plan, which is at $28 per month, and this is a creator sweet spot. Of course, all these prices are at a yearly rate. If you go for the monthly, you tend to pay more. So we want to think that if you're serious about content creation or a hybrid production workflow, you might want to use the yearly plan in order to save costs. Now with the Plus plan, it unlocks more iStock assets and removes the watermark. If you're posting 3 to 5 times a week, the ROI on this plan is immense. And then of course you have the Max plan. The Max plan goes for $50 per month. This is for power users who need the AI twins, a higher cloud storage of 400 GB, and priority access to the latest models like Sora 2 and Veo 3.1. If you're running an agency or a high volume media brand, this is the tier that scales. Then of course you also have the generative. The plan is $100 per month and you can have up to 8 express clones, which is a bump from the max plan of just 5 clones. You also get 100 credits, which is more than the max plan. And then you can go over to the teams plan at $899. This gives you 1000 credits, 15 minutes of generative videos, 40 express clones, 4 terabytes of storage, and way more options than the other plans combined. So you get to decide which is best for you or your team. Is this the best AI video generator? Well, currently the market is crowded. Pictory as a competitor is excellent for text-heavy content like block to video, and Runway ML is the king of raw cinematic generation. But InVideo AI stands out for its all-in-one pipeline. It integrates script, voice, music, and stock footage into a single cohesive workflow. It's not for the filmmaker who wants to spend 5 hours color grading a single shot. It is for the creator who needs to win the attention economy through speed and consistent output. To win with InVideo, you need to follow these 3 rules. Be granular. The more detail you put in your prompt, such as tone, pacing, the platform you wish to use it on, and audience, the better your initial result will be, and less time iterating. But of course, if you want to iterate, here's another rule. Use the magic box to make at least 2 or 3 rounds of adjustments. Then, because this is an AI, you need to put the human touch, so try to humanize it. You can do this by using your own voice or AI twin to add the human touch that AI-only content definitely lacks. The barrier for entry to professional content creation has never been lower. You have the tool, you have the workflow, and now you have the guide. If you want to try InVideo AI yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start creating AI-powered videos for free. Thanks for watching, and we'll definitely see you in the next one.